Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the street fighting which is happening right now in Ukraine between Russian aggressors and the Ukrainian people. Right now the situation is very bad because Russia is attacking Ukraine from different sides. Russian troops have entered Ukraine's second largest city, Kharkiv, where street fighting is now actually taking place between the soldiers and aggressors, I mean Russian soldiers and local soldiers. President of Ukraine says Ukraine is ready for peace talks but not in Moscow's preferred venue of Belarus. It means like he is okay for the negotiation but in any other country. So we can see there is some ray of hope for the peace. More than 200,000 Ukrainians have fled the country since the beginning of the conflict. This is an estimate of the UN. It can be more or less at this time. Strikes against Ukrainian oil and gas facilities, igniting a depot near the capital, is also happening. On the other side, Western powers have imposed sweeping sanctions on Moscow, and they are sending the supplies, ammunitions and weapons to Ukraine so that they can fight Russia. So practically the Western powers, they are trying to help Ukraine, but it is unclear if Ukraine will be able to hold in front of Russia, or how long this war is going to continue. Well friends, we'll keep you posted, updated on the issue, and like the video and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.